Today, we are servicing a Delong new M3000 gas truck with a Weichai engine. The issue reported is that the vehicle suddenly stalled while running and cannot be started. We are now using DTS to run a specialized diagnostic. Currently, we are connecting to the computer. Entering the password. Now we are in. The diagnostic reports low gas pressure and an open circuit fault in the shut-off valve. There is no gas pressure, which confirms that the vehicle stalls and cannot be started due to the lack of gas. Now, we'll proceed to inspect. The gas cylinder pressure is present, which means the shut-off valve in between is faulty. We have replaced it with a new one. The new valve is now installed on the vehicle. The issue is perfectly resolved.